Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum everyone. Hello, hello, hello. Ni hao. Annyeonghaseyo. Konnichiwa. Sawadee. Welcome back to my channel. So I hope all of you are fine. Today we are going to learn two things. The first one, punctuation, and the second one, do and does. Let's start. We will begin the first one, punctuation. So, for the punctuation, we have three things that we are going to learn. The first one, capital letter. Repeat after me. Capital letter. For beginners, capital letter is used at the front of the word in a sentence. And for number two, full stop. Full stop is used at the end of the sentence. Number three, question mark. Question mark is used when you are asking a question. So how are you going to use all of these three? So we are going to see now. The first example, I get up at 6 o'clock. Alright, can you think now? How can you correct the sentence? I'm going to give you a few seconds. Alright, time is up. So this is how you correct the first sentence. So the first one, I, remember at the front of the sentence, you have to make it as a capital letter. So from small letter I become capital letter I. And then, remember, at the end of the sentence, you have to put full stop. Let's proceed to the second example. In this second example, do you cycle to school? So, how are you going to correct the sentence? I'm going to give you a few seconds. Good luck! Alright, time is up. So this is how you correct the sentence. Remember the first one, D. So it is at the front of the sentence. So you have to make it as capital D. And then for the last sentence, this is a question. Do you cycle to school? So you have to put question mark at the end of the sentence. Now is the time for exercises. 1. In the morning, I always have cereal for breakfast. 2. After school, I sometimes play computer games. 3. Before bedtime, I never have a shower. 4. Do you walk to school? 5. I always go to bed at 9 o'clock. 6. What does he do? 7. What do you do after school? Let's learn about the second topic, do and does. Alright, I have a table here for you. So you can see here, I do, you do, we do, they do. And then he does, she does, and it does. You can also memorize. How? Like this. I do, you do, we do, they do. He does, she does, and it does. Okay, let's see our first example. Blank, you, blank, walk to school. Question mark. So remember you, I do, you do, we do, they do. So you should write do, D-O, do. And for this one, for the verb, you have to write the word again, walk. W-A-L-K, walk. You don't have to put as or ed or anything, because after do and or does, the verb must be the root verb, meaning no s, no ed, no additional letters in front of the verb. Let's look at the second example. Blank Rizki blank walk to school. As you can see here, I'm using the same sentence. Why? To make you understand easier. It's just that I use Rizki. Rizki is one person. So one person, it's same like he, she, and it. So the front should be does. Does Rizki walk to school? As I said just now, walk. No additional es, ed or anything, because it must be root verb. After do and does, root verb. And remember, this is a question, so you have to put question mark. Ready for the exercises? 1. Blank Cindy and Clark blank drive to work. 2. Blank Jessica blank ride her bike to school. 3. Blank you blank take the train to school. And number 4, which is the last question, blank Kevin blank take the bus to karate. Take your time and answer the questions. Please think carefully. Good luck! So how's everybody? Can you do it? I believe you can do it. So English, no problem. Bye. Oops. Don't forget to subscribe me. Stay tuned for the next videos. Thank you. Bye.